Hello everyone, Terry here from my North Texas garden, and what a lovely surprise this morning. Big old swallowtail butterfly this morning. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. I'm so excited. I just love them. They're so gorgeous. Look at him. He likes that new plant I got. The one I put a video on that I found the name of it and I can't say it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Absolutely outstanding. Just beautiful. I like the little trimmings of blue underneath their wings. I don't want to get too close because then they fly away. But oh wow. So pretty. Well, there he is. Oh, he's on the salvia now. He said, I like salvia too. Where did he go? Oh, he's back. Okay, everybody. Have a beautiful, blessed day. God bless. Please subscribe. Watch my channel and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed day. God bless.